Well, if you're anything like me, and probably Laura too, and all of us that work on the morning show, you probably long for a good night's sleep, and you have to wait for the weekends. Is your significant other, though, constantly nudging you to stop your snoring? That can be a problem. You don't want to get stuck with one of these giant CPAP machines that we're about to show you. So what is the answer then? Joining us now is Dr. Anna Smith of Dentistry with TLC, and I want to thank you for coming on Great Day once again. Always good to see you. Now, so we've never talked about this that I recall. We've talked about the CPAPs before, but there have been occasions when I have been on holiday with other people and they have had to have their CPAP machine, and I can see in their eye that they're embarrassed by it.
Absolutely.
But they also know that if they don't have it, they're not going to sleep a wink overnight.
That's right.
And it has been, you're not here to trash these things, because this has been very helpful for people before the technology continued to improve and evolve, right?
Yeah, I'm just here to help people who can't use this know that there's another option.
Right.
And a lot of people think this is it. They may have even been told by their physician, this is the only option, it's this or surgery. And now there is another successful option for folks.
So going from this giant monstrosity to what you're holding in your little hands right here is a big step.
This is an oral appliance, and they have changed a lot over the years. The one that I provide is over 90% successful, and it's comfortable, it works great, and it helps all sorts of people, not just people with little problems, it helps people that have big problems. So
there are people that are using this that may be having results but just don't like it for whatever reason. Some people can't deal with it, the claustrophobic aspect of it. Some people are embarrassed by it. Some people's partners don't want to hear the thing humming over there or whatever else. They can be helped with this.
That's right. Anybody who doesn't like to use their CPAP or just can't. Half the people that try a CPAP give up in a week because they just can't handle the air pressure and the noise in the mask. So this is what the appliance is for. And a lot of people will come in for exactly what you mentioned at the beginning. They're going on vacation, they don't want to be embarrassed, or they're starting to date again. They don't want to be embarrassed by their big CPAP, so they're looking for an alternative.
Can you skip this step? Do you have to have this first?
You don't. So if you think you have a problem and you just don't want to deal with this, come see me. I can walk you through every step to get you to this. Or if you happen to decide you want a CPAP, I'll send you to a doctor that can help you with that. But most folks, once they learn about the oral appliance, this is what they're more comfortable with. This is the answer.
You bring up a good point, because I think I was under the impression that you had to do a specific sleep study and participate in that, which I suspect can be costly, perhaps, before you talk to yourself about these appliances, but that's not necessarily the case?
Right. A lot of people will come to me and they haven't talked to their physician about anything. All they know is they're getting the elbow, they want to do something to be quiet, and I will help them through all of the issues to get them to a sleep appliance so they can start feeling better. And sleep studies can be done at home now. If you need a sleep study, I can send you home with a kit. You can do it at home so that it doesn't have to be done at an embarrassing sleep center.
That's awesome. Boy, the difference between that and this is just phenomenal. It's changed a lot of lives. There are some upcoming free community seminars coming up tomorrow night at 6:30. Head over to the Comfort Inn and Suites in Greenville, Illinois. Then you could rent a room and take a nap if you wanted to, if you got the thing. Then on Wednesday night at 6:30 in Edwardsville at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites. On Thursday, you'll find Dr. Smith at Limelight Events in St. Charles, and also at 6:30 for all of the details. Go to Dentistry with TLC, dentistrywithtlc.com. Now listen to this. Dr. Smith provides more ProSomnus sleep appliances than any dentist in the United States. Did you hear me right? Right now, she's offering $1,000 off the cost of a sleep appliance. So call today to make an appointment for a consultation with Dr. Anna Smith, Dentistry with TLC, located in Godfrey, Illinois. To set up a consultation, call 618-466-0733. I giggle because you'll be glad you did. I'm telling you, it can make a big difference.
Thank you very much. You too.